Okay, get ready. The plane is gonna land. Before that, guys, please subscribe so we will continue the plane crash. The plane is gonna launch. The plane is gonna launch. Before, guys, I just showed my feet because this is my feet, guys. I'm sorry. Did I distract you all, guys? Keep watching until the end.
Critical master yun. Karate. Critical gabin ko.
Like that. Guys, this is not still the end. Keep watching. Is he breathing? I think he's. Let me hear it. He's not breathing either. We have to put him to the hospital quickly. Hey, wait for me. What happened in this plane crash? I don't even know. Okay, that's okay. No, he is getting in the van. We have to put him to the hospital quickly. Wait, let's check this side. Is he okay? Yeah, he's okay. I'm okay here. Yeah. Let's get inside of the car. Ouch. Wait, before that, put this on the top. Wait for me. Me too. Wait. Oh, I'll stay here. Wait, let me open this. Case open. I'm okay. Bruh. We have to do is carry it. Okay.
Wala akong kailangan.
Yeah, this car is super fast. It can carry. Let's use this e-bike. Yay! I think the bike is much slower than the. There's nothing. Let's go. Wait, where's? Oh, yeah, the car keys on your wallet. Wallet, okay. Bye bye. Don't forget this wheel. See ya, guys. Please subscribe. Bye bye. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Bye.